Hey guys, welcome back to Technical Science Guy channel. So in this video I will be showing you how can you make your own password advisor in Python. So if you have seen my this tic-tac-toe video, you can see it. This is very amazing for Python tutorials, and I will be telling you this password advisor in Python. So here I will be first of all running this code. So here if I run, sorry, I will running it again because it's my another shell. Yes. So first of all it displays welcome to new episode of Python tutorial by Technical Science Guy. Password generator. Title, here I have written this title. Then what type of password you want. If I press 1, he give me a password of, yes, it should be weak, yes, weak password here. So here if you want certain other things inside this password generator, first of all you have to read this code here. Okay, so for after reading this code, you are well known to the password generator, because if you do not read this code, you will be in big problem. You will think that I have given you a wrong code. Okay, you will say that this boy has given me a wrong code. So if I just run it again, so what type? If I print A, weak password. If I printed B here, so what would have happened? Okay, I will just running it again, run module. If I write B, it should give strong password. Oh, it's weak password, sorry. Now to run it again because so if you think I'm writing 2, my weak password. Why you think every time he's giving me weak password? So because he's not understanding here your thing. In the code it said another thing and you're giving him another thing. So I've written else statement for this weak password. Okay, it will tell you that is it a great password or a weak password. So if I write here again, if I write it, run module, if I write a strong password, the 1 2 3 so this he will suggest me that it's a strong password. So this why I did it like this and all, because I have to understand you that this justifies that your password is strong or not. So I will give you in the description box, not in any link, just in description, with hashtag start and hashtag end. Okay, so till that for my next video, and I think you first of all have this Python tutorial end here, but I have to discuss very important from you that during the lockdown please stay safe. This everything the important concrete steps are taken by the government is only for your benefits. Don't go outside your home and enjoy with your family, and please do not panic about anything about the virus and all. So stay tuned for more great videos and enjoy the lockdown and stay at your homes for till the time my next video. Thank you, good night, and stay tuned for my next videos. Okay.